right, Casey Camera Boy here working on the First Amendment AUDIT. These people respect their freedom to record. This is a bank.
I don't want to be on camera. You guys auditors, right? These guys on YouTube and all that. You don't speak English? Habla inglés? Chinese? Japanese?
What's your name, sir?
Stay out of the property.
Shut the f up. Security enforcement agent. Security enforcement agent.
What a crybaby.
Tough guy. Stay out. Sure, buddy. Sure, buddy. Sure. I'm not the one doing the walk of shame and the entrance of shame, buddy. Entrance of shame. Couldn't let it go. I just got under your skin already. I already did, fool. There you coming back, huh? Then you coming back. Now you think twice about doing the entrance of shame? Oh, what happened, fool? What happened, fool? What happened? What happened, fool? What happened? Learn how to walk, fool. You walk like you have a dick up your ass. You walk like you have a dick up your ass. Look at that. Like you're spreading your chicks because it doesn't fit. I knew you liked it. I knew you liked it. There you go. Entrance of shame. Entrance of shame inside your car. I'ma get your plates. I'm gonna get your plates, buddy. Oh, he can let it go. He can let it go. Look at that. He can let it go. You can let it go, buddy. You can let it go. There comes Mister with the in his. Look how he walks. Hold on, let me get his walk. Let me get his walk. There you go. There you go. He has a up his. There you go. Little Chile. I bet you have a little Chile, fool. Little Chile. Oh.
Hey, I follow you guys, man.
Say what's up.
You and this should be and everybody else.
Oh, serio? Órale, Casey Camera Boy, bro.
Hell yeah.
What up?
How you guys doing, man?
Good, man. I just had this security guard, bro.
They give you a hard
Pissed.
time?
Monday?
They give you a hard time?
Well, he started like saying stay off the property. You guys are First Amendment auditors. Earlier, bro, I had someone that pull a taser on me. You know, like the flashlights?
Over here?
Nah, it was, what was it, bro? Moreno Valley, or what was it? Moreno Valley? That fool just had a flashlight, and that fool just like, he just on me.
Yeah.
But he didn't use it, though, but I had to pull out my taser, too, bro. Cause I got the new one.
Oh, I know.
I got the X26. What is it? The X26, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, X2. It's the X2.
And that shit look intimidating too. Huh?
Yeah, bro. Like I've been wanting to get tased, bro, but at the same time, I'm kind of scary. You know, there he comes.
Oh, that guy.
Hey, there comes the one with the pee-pee up his ass.
Hey, Rico, Suave.
There you go. There you go.
Go get a haircut.
There you go. But you see that?
Oh, these idiots right here, dog.
Right?
They're always acting like they're cops.
Yeah, that fool, agents, officer, something he called himself. I'm like, might as well call yourself Coronel or something, you know, like Army, or I don't know what the heck.
I know, yeah.
Hey, but bro, thanks a lot for
I support
swinging
you
by.
guys, man. Keep going, bro.
Hey, I got
you
my
guys have a
address.
chance?
On Monday?
You guys have a chance? Go to my town. I live in Pico Rivera.
Pico Rivera?
Yeah, you go to Pico Rivera.
Okay, hey, the shirts there are messed up, bro.
Yeah, stop right there because there's a lot of food going on.
Osero, hey, stay safe, brother.
Hey, take care, my brother.
Órale,
Stay safe,
órale. Make me, fool. You make me, fool. I'm not calling you out, fool. Am I calling you out? Am I calling you out?
You're fake.
Am I calling you out, fool?
You're fake.
Am I calling you out? Why you running, fool? Why you running away? Why you running away?
You're gonna chase me, fat boy?
Yeah?
Fat boy, why don't you lose some weight? Lose some weight, fat boy.
We better than your you. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Get a life.
Get a life.
You calling me out? You calling me out? I'll make more than your I bet.
I bet you don't.
Oh, how much you make?
None of your business.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yeah, you dress like
Exactly. Exactly. Whatever you said, I wish you had this, fool. What you wearing? What you wearing, fool? How much you wearing? Why you walking away? 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 Why are you walking away, crybaby? I thought so. Just like I thought. We need a patrol, huh? You wanna call me out, fool? What's up? What's up, fool? You wanna call me out? I'm calling you out. Why are you walking away? There's the cops. There's the cops. See, they didn't even give a fuck about you. You just a damn troll, fool. You just a damn troll. You want it for yourself. What's up? How much you make, fool? Better check yourself before you check somebody else, fool. Tell you straight up. This is what you get. You're gonna be on my channel. You wanna troll me? I'll troll your family, your friends, everybody that knows you. That's what I thought, fool. Oh yeah, we're coming back. Let me tell you this. There he is, still waiting, hiding behind the door. That's all he can do. Hey, how much you pay the security guard to act professional? 12 bucks? I wouldn't like to be him. Then he tells me to get a job. I bet I make more than he does. Yeah, that kind of sucks.
What's your name?
They call me Mr. Dick Fits Well, but you can just call me my dick. Yeah, but you're being professional though, you're cool.
They call you Rico Suave, right?
Yeah, whatever you say, fool. Look at the face, look at the butter face. Look at the butter face, fool. Look at the butter. He's trigger, you're trigger, boy. I got you triggered to the max. What happened with him? He's talking smack. Tough guy. Yep. Hands in your pocket of shame. I opened my mouth of shame there. Oh yeah, that his Trista there. It's so great. Oh man. Well, it's been like 5 minutes. They just keep opening the door. I think it's the front door when they open it. So my way the cops come. If not, they'll leave it assist. Casey camera boy. You know what I'm saying? Well, I guess this is it. They never came out, so I guess I'm gonna leave it assist. Casey camera boy, peace out.